Okay. What is the Git? What is the GitHub? All this we are going to see. What is the Git? Maybe you are using the Git. Okay. Git is nothing but this is a local. So Git is a local repository. Local repository in the sense like we are storing our code base everything in the local. Okay, we call Git as a version control system. Like what is version control system? Like how we will use the version control system, how to identify those things or not we will see. Okay, the version control system in the sense how it will be there, right? It will divide the way how it will divide it will divide by the versions production or staging is there, right? For that one we'll call it as a branches. What are these branches? So like multiple versions whenever you are creating, right? Whenever writing the code, whenever you are saving, all the things it will be stored in a local repository. Okay, it is nothing but it is a repository, local repository. Nothing but it will store the all the code in the local. Okay, so we can't access this code in not in the across the world. So we are not able to access. Yes, that can be accessible by only by the system. Okay, here what we are doing, we are going to set up the Git. So what exactly we'll do? Like how to install the Git, all the things we need to see, right? When you are using any Ubuntu server, right? You will go with the apt Git. Okay, updating and you are installing the Git install Git. So we can check the Git install version by doing the command. We can able to see the Git versions. Okay, and how to install in the CentOS in the Linux. How to yum install Git. So those things and all we can able to see. So here you can able to see, right? The config here, right? So whenever we created the things, Git, we need to configure our username and password. Okay. Like if you're using the private repository, you need to do this or not. Or else you are using the public repository, right? And that time you can able to go with a normal Git config, all the things you can able to do. How to do? Can able to see Git configure hyphen global your username, your name. Okay, and git config hyphen global user.email your email ID. Okay, whenever you creating the GitHub, right? In the time on the time you will log in with your email ID, right? So that we will do the things here. So whenever you want to see the your configuration list, right? When you git config hyphen list, you can able to see the user.name, user.email. Okay, then first what we need to do, we need to do the git git config, create your workspace. Like if you're having any a folder, right? So I'm creating my workspace in the local. So you want to create a separate folder. So on the time, what you need to do, just to create a NKDR, like you can make it as a one folder and move to that one, just do it. So what I did, I created the one in the Git, I created one SIT, I went in that folder SIT. Okay. So what I did next, I created one file called touchsit.txt. So when I have seen here, I'm able to see the text file is there. When I did the git init, initializing the git, okay, it will got initialized. You come down, can able to see git add. So what it will do, it will be add the file to the local. Okay, exactly 1 minute. This will show it in a real time. I'm using the Git bash. In the Windows, we can use the Git bash. By this is a Git local. Okay, local management tool. By using the Git bash, you can able to write do these operations or not. Or else you can use Visual Studio Code or CMD. I will do the Git initialize, Git init. Okay, you can able to see, right? Initialize the empty Git repository, where in the Git in the .git file will be created. Whenever you are initializing the Git, right? What it will do? It will initialize the Git. Okay. Whenever you are initializing the new Git, right? In the time it will create the one master branch. Okay. Here you can able to see the master. You can able to see, right? This is a master. So so here you can able to see the .git file. Whenever initially it will create the one .git file. So let's see what I will create in the one file. Okay. Git add git status. So here you can able to see changes to be committed. Your new file will be there. I created one file called sad.txt. So when I will create another file called touch sad.txt. Okay, you can able to see we have the two files here. Okay, we'll see the git status. So it will what it will do. I already added this git add, right? So what happened on that time? The new file .sad.txt got added to the repository. So here you can able to see untracked files sad2.txt. So it not added to the git repository. So again, when you do git add dot space dot, what is mean by dot? What is mean by dot in this? It will add the all the things whatever will be there in the that repo file. Okay, this I'm in the SIT Git folder, right? In the Git folder, what are the files will be there, right? Everything it will check the all the things and it will add to the local. Okay, see if you do this one, right? Everything it will be added to the local. So if you go and check Git status, what it's showing, see changes to be committed. So what we did, we have added the all the files into the system and we need to commit. Where we need to commit? We need to commit into the remote. Like we are maintaining that in the local only, right? So we want to push it in the remote. Where in the remote in the sense what? GitHub. Okay. How to identify to if you got added anything, you can able to see the normal Git added files will be there. So if you have this file here, right? Git status. By using the status, you can able to see the what are the files not added. Okay. So what I will do now, I'm having these two, right? What I will update one sad.txt insert demo. Okay, I have saved. Now I will check git status. So here you can able to see, right? Before what I did, I have the two files. I have added those things into the repository, right? So these two files will be there, sad.txt, sad2.txt. Here you can able to see, right? Changes not staged for the committed. That means, see, this is a one version. This new sad.txt and sad.txt is a one version. So this is sad.txt, this is another version. I modified this one. Okay, when you are doing, here again, you use git add. So if you want to do only update the specific file, right? You need to give sad. Okay, what I will do, this 1 minute, I will create one more file called touch sad3.txt. Touch will use for the empty file. Without adding any content, we can able to create the empty file. Okay. So here you can able to see we have created 3 files. We'll check the git status. So here you can able to see one file need to add, one file we have modified, right? So we need to update this one modified file. How to add that one? Git add sad.txt. Git status. So here you can able to see that got updated here. Okay, whenever we are adding the git add.sad.txt, only particular file will be updated over there, not all the files. So if you want to add all the files, you need to place what you need to do dot git add dot. So what it will add all the things. Git status. So three files will be there. Changes to be committed. So we are not committed. We are storing the local one. Okay. So we have added, right? Then again we need to commit. Where we need to commit? Git commit -m commit -a. Here you can able to see. So initial commit. Good. We have committed these 3 files into the master branch. Okay. Here you can able to see. Before and all, we are not able to see the branch. Okay. So where we have stored, we have committed to the master branch. Okay. Whenever see here, I can able to see in the master branch, right? SID, SID2, SID3. Okay, this is the one my production group. Okay, now what I will do, I will create one more branch. What should I create? A git branch main. It got created. How to check the branch? Git branch. You can check by git branch, and you can check by git branch -a. You can able to see all the things. So here you can able to see the git branch master, right? Okay.
Yes.
So whenever I want to switch to main, how should I switch? For that one, we have one command called git checkout. Git check out. Which branch we need to select? We need to select the main branch. Okay, enter. Here you can able to see. We can able git checkout main switching to branch main. Okay, here you can able to see the main branch got changed. Master to main. We'll see here. LL. Okay. Still here files will be there. You can able to see, right?
Yes.
Okay. It having the different branch, that having the different branch, right? Why it's showing the files? Okay. So to identify these things and all, we'll see the one example here. Okay. Git. Sorry. Okay. Touch branch demo .txt. Okay. Then I created one branch demo .txt. Git status. Okay, that we need to add. Git add dot. We have got added. So we need to commit, right? Git commit -m. What is mean by -m? -m in the sense it will be a message. Like we are giving the message to the commit ID. So to like why we are using the m in the sense like we are updating the code, right? Whenever we are pushing the code, what are the things we updated we need to identify, right? By using this commit message only, we can able to identify what are the things we updated over there, all the things we can able to see. Code updated. Okay, one file changed. Okay, created. Branch. Can able to see now git status. Anything can able to see? Nothing to commit. Working tree is clean. Error. Here you can able here you can able to see we had the 4 files. Okay. Now what we'll do? Git checkout master. Okay. So if I will do here, it will be the files will be there here. Like 4 files will be there or 3 files will be there. Okay, we'll check. How many files will be there here? 3. Why? Because whenever you are creating this Git master, right? Whenever creating from the master branch, you are creating a new repository, right? Git branch main, Git branch, another any development, anything you are creating, right? Whenever creating, it will copy the master branch first. Everything it will be copied. That's why you can able to see all the code in the main branch. Right or wrong? We have seen the main branch, one code will be there. So what all the things will be in the master, everything will be there in the main. Okay. But what I did after that, what I did, I updated the one file in the main branch. Can you able to update? Can you able to see here? So here I will see git status. Here what it's showing? Nothing to commit. Working tree is clean. Why? See, like generally you can able to see, right? This is a tree. In the Git, first in the master, we created the 3 files. From the 3 files, we committed all the things we did. Again, what we did, we created one more branch called main. So in that time, in that branch also, everything it came. Okay. So it copying the master branch, it pasting in the main branch. So what we did, we created the one more file called demo. Okay, demo branch. We have updated, added all the files into the Git. Okay, and we committed. So it got updated in the main branch. Yes. Right. So what to identify that is copying to the master branch or not, how to check? You need to check out to the master branch. I went to the master branch and I checked. So it will be not there. Okay. So if you want to check it in the real way also, we can able to see here in the come to D folder, where is a Git? Here Git. Here you can able to see. Only 3 files only there. So if you check out Git, check out main, we'll go into the main. If you see here Here you can able to see branch demo.txt. Here also it came. Seen, right? So in the same, we can't hide the files, right? Now, why we are initializing in the sense to maintain the branches. So you will get to know, right? Like if you're going to check out one branch set, some files will be not showing here. So when you will check out that branch, that files is not same as the things. The code will be there, right? Both codes will be not same. So different code, right? So it will make the dependence. Like for the master branch, there is a dependency of that that will save their own code. Okay. So main branch, that code will be different. Okay. Whenever you're updating this, right, in the production, if you want to move to stage, right, in the staging, you will do one thing. After staging only, you are going to move to the production, right? Okay. So in that time, you are going to move to the production. First, you will do the staging. After that, you are going to push to the production. So after doing this and all, so if now this is my staging account, main will be the staging account. I want to move this code to the master branch. How to move? For that and all, we had the command called merge. Git merge. So in the merge now, what it will do? It will merge the two branches. Okay. Okay, I will go to the GitHub. Okay, this is my Protect GitHub. Okay, here some we can able to see some of the things will repositories will be there. Okay, how to create? Go to the create new things on right and GitHub. Sign up. Click on sign up. Give your email ID, your name, all the things. You need to give your email ID. Then it will ask your name. All the things it will give you like this. So we already have, right? So I can able to see here. So like that, after creating the account, the interface will be look like this. Okay. What do you need to do? You need to create your workspace. This is a Protect repository name. What you want to create? I will give demo. So here you can able to see like any duplications will be not there here. If you create a demo, right? Again, if you create the demo, it won't take here. Here you can able to see if you public or private. Public na here below you can able to see anyone on the internet can see this repository. You choose whom can commit, but you can able to see, right? Only who want to commit the code inside this repository you can able to choose. Not everybody can able to commit the code. Okay, the private you choose who can see and commit this repository. If you go with the private, okay. As of now, I will go with the public. Here, initializing the repository with README file. What is exactly mean by README file? README file in the sense it will create a like we have the one TXT file is there, right? Yes. Same like that. There is a README file. So whatever we are going to update the things, right? So steps will be there. If you want to update any steps over the README file, you can update over there. So whenever you refer that GitHub, right? By using the README file, what all the content will be there inside, you can able to see. If you go and see here, I had one repository here. Here, Terra Cognita one file is there. If you come down here, this is a readme.md file. Okay, here you can able to see, right? This code will be entire thing of this Terra Cognita. If you come down, they updated this content, right? By using this content, we can able to identify what this code will do. We can able to identify, right? If you want to update like this, you need to update like this. That is the use of the README file. Like it will be by TXT file, text file. And this what I'm creating a repository. Okay. So just I configured with only demo thing only. Okay, I created the demo. Now what's the next step? Here what we need to create the repository, public, add README file, all the things I did. How to connect this repository? Here you can able to see, right? When you come here, code. Here you can able to see HTTPS. You need to copy this link. Next, what you need to do? Git remote add origin. Here, what I will do? Git remote add origin. We need to paste this one link. I will enter. Here we have added the remote. How to check the remote is added or not? Git remote -v. So here you can able to see, right? Origin. What is the origin? Git github.com 7infotech demo.git. This is from here you can able to fetch, you can able to push the code. So by using this, like how many Git repositories got added here, you can able to find. Okay, here we have seen right by on this command git remote. What is mean by remote? Remote in the sense of GitHub, we are adding the GitHub, right? That is a remote. That one we are adding. Add in the sense what? We are adding the GitHub to the local. Origin is there, right? This is origin is your wish. That is not specific, but to identify, we'll use the origin. Like you can give whatever your name you want to in the place of origin. The next, this is a GitHub link and enter it. So in this step, what it will do, it will add all the things to local. Okay, we have making the interconnection between remote repository and local repository. Okay, that we have the we need to push to remote repository, right? By that way, we are pushing the code. Next, so we have it. Then we are added the remote origin. Then we need to push the code. How to push? Git push origin master. Git push origin master. Okay, so right now we are in the main, right? We'll push the main. I didn't add the global username side. I will add the usernames. I need to configure all the things right. I haven't configured user.name. Okay, I have updated the username and email ID. Here you can able to see. Okay, now we'll try to add. Okay, here you can able to see, right? Why I'm not able to get here, right? So I already configured my GitHub user credentials old, right? So that's why here it will be in the local. So whenever I'm pushing the code, right? See here, you can able to see I have a new origin master. See it's showing like that denied for my name. So this is my my username. Right. So like my username is not placed in the this 7 protector. Okay, that's why it's throwing error. What we need to do, we need to remove the this credentials here. Okay, we have removed. Then if you push this one, it will do what it will do. It will ask you to the sign in. Okay, authorized to Git. Okay, authorized to Git ecosystem. Okay, now we have read confirmation. See, you can able to see, right? So when I did all the things right, when I configured all the things, automatically it got pushed the code. Please complete the authentication in your browser. When we have done emulating the objects, 4 objects done, counting the objects 100% 4x4, where in the main branch, delta, compressing the objects 100%, writing the objects. Okay, remote, create pull request from the master and visiting remote, all the things it will read. New branch, master, branch master setup to track the origin master. Okay, check. Status, nothing to commit. We'll go and check it here. Tech, refresh it. Here you can able to see for the master it came. Okay, so like why master it came, right? What we given here, We gave the only master. So it pushed the code to the master branch only. If you give the main status, then they commit, right? So git checkout master. So we are in the master branch. Now we will create the one file called git add. No, we're adding git commit second commit. Okay, here directly we are not on directly committing here. We are directly committing to the remote repository. What we are doing origin master. We committed the things. Just we need what we need to push. Git push origin master. So we successfully push the code to master. Can we check it here? Demo one. So commit what it will do, right? It will generate one commit ID with along with all the versions whenever we are doing. So push will be it will push the code to remote. Okay. Check. Git push. We check the git remote -v. How we check the git remote? -v. Git check out master. Okay. Touch. Okay. Git status. Git is not an untracked file. What do we need to do? Add. Git add demo. Only I'm adding only one file. Demo 2. Okay. Git status. Okay. Need to commit. Git commit -m updated code. Okay. So done. It got updated. Okay. So what we need to push the code, right? Git push origin master. So it got pushed the code. Here you can able to see. When I refresh, see demo 2. You can able to see the message, right? If you updated to 2 files, right? If you change the initial commit will be there, SIT1, SIT2 will be there, right? We'll update those 2 files. Okay. So new SIT.txt update. Okay, SIT2, right? Update. I saved these 2 files. Status. Okay, 2 files got modified. What I will do, I need to commit, right? I need to add git add dot. So I'm adding all the files. Yeah, git status. Here you can able to see it got need to commit. I will do git commit -m. And what should I give? Already we had one updated, right? Second update. Okay. So we have updated the second update. Git push origin master branch. We are pushing the code. So here you can able to see 1 file changed to 2 files inserted, 1 deletion. Everything you can able to see here. You come here and we'll check. Refresh. So here that message also got updating whenever you are updating that file. Got it. Okay. If you come down here, git log. Here you can able to see, right, all the things. Git log now. This is the second commit. Okay. This is a header, and where is master origin master, where it is there in the master, it will be there. So what is the commit we did? This is the commit we did, second update. So by mistakenly you wrongly committed this one. Okay, you want to go to the this updated code in the sense of what to do. You need to take this committed, and you need to revert. How to do or not, we'll see. So we have pushed the code. Okay, so now what we did, we have pushed the code using the console login. Right? Okay, sometimes on what we'll do by using the access key and password only, we will be able to do it. How to do whenever it will ask me for any these things and all, right? Passwords and all. You need to go to the settings and you need to generate the access key. Where you need to generate. Click on here, settings. You come down here. The developer settings will be there. Click on developer settings. Here, personal access tokens. Click on the personal access tokens. Anything is fine. Tokens or fine generate access token. Click on generate new token. Generate new token. Give all the name. How many days you want to access this token. Give the expiration time. And resource owner. Who is the owner. And for what repository access you require. All repository or only public repositories. Or else only selected repositories. Click on selected, right? It will, you can select it from here. Okay. And provide the permissions. Okay. You want do these things and provide the all permissions. You need to select the read and write. Like that, you need to update all the permissions and create the access key. You need to use for the code content code push. Okay. So here git push origin master. We did all the things. And git status on branch master. Nothing to commit, working directly clean. Okay, that means everything is perfect only. No need to add, no need to commit. All the things you can able to see here. Git log. So here you can able to see it giving the commit ID and second commit ID, first commit ID. Right. Pulling remotely. Let pretend some time has passed. We initiated the other people to our GitHub projects. So like what it exactly pulling the remotely in the sense, like I'm the user, right? I'm updating the code here. Okay. See here. Okay. This is my code in the master. I'm updating this code. So I'm not only I'm not working on this code. Okay. And I'm working, you are working. Okay. Total 5 members are working. Everybody pushing the code at end of the day. Okay. Everybody having the separate access to this Git repository. Everybody updating the code. Everybody pushing the code to remote repository. So whenever what we need to do, we need to pull the request. Okay, end of the day, we have pushed all the code into repository, right? We need to get all the code in the local, right? How to do git pull by using the git pull origin master. How to do? So git pull origin master. So can able to see from already up to date. Okay, so what we'll do? How to know, like it we're getting or not? How to do all of the, how to get to know, right? That all we'll see. Like what we will do, we'll create manually. We'll create the one file. This is the one file, right? What I will do, I will add one file. Create new file. From here only, I'm adding demo3.txt. In the master, I'm creating the demo3.txt. Okay. Checking. Commit changes. Commit to master manage. Okay. Here you can able demo3.txt it got created. Okay. So here what we need to do, now I'm pulling the code from the remote branch. Okay, from the GitHub, I updated the one file, right? I need to get that file to your local, right? How to do git pull origin master. Here you can able to see remote encountering the 4x4 and all the things it will taking page head origin master one demo3.txt. Here you can able to see, right? Demo3.txt, that file is got updated here. Okay, whenever the code multiple developers are working on the code, right? they are pushing the code to the remote, right? How to clone it, how to pull in the sense like by this way we can able to pull the code. Okay, git uh, git pull origin master or which branch you want you are using that branch. Okay, we already pulled all the things. How to push the code also we have seen git push origin master or main, all things we can able to see. Git difference, git log. So here you can able to see headmaster. This is the origin master. So we need to see the difference, right? By using the git diff head. Okay, I will tell you these things. So I will check and I will tell you. Okay, undoing the last commit. We did the one commit, right? Here you can able to see how to do the undo the last commit and all, how to check another by saying this and all, you can able to see. Okay, see what we did here. We created the one file, git add. So we'll create the same like that only. Test dot txt. Okay, inside update in local repo. Local repo. Git add. We added. Okay. Like that diff head, why it's not came before, right? We have already pushed the entire code, right? We have already there, right? We already pushed the code, entire code. We committed all the things. We have pushed the code. That's why, like in the difference between the old commit and new commit to check, right? That is the difference it will show you. Okay, by using the differentiation. Diff head in the sense like the actual right now it will be there, right? It will check the committed ID and present committed. We not committed all the things. Like after checking the differentiation only, we are committing. Okay, after committing, you are not able to see the differentiate the things. See, here you can able to see everything. What all the things you updated, you can able to see. See, I wrote the data inside the file. Right. When I have seen here you can able to see updated the file in local. I can able to see, right? By using the git diff head. What is the difference from the previous commit and this commit? Git commit -m updated in local. Okay, right. Here committed. If you see here, git diff head. Can you able to get anything? No. Why? Because we already committed our code, right? That's why you are not able to see the differentiation of our code. Okay. Like you don't checking the previous code and present. Okay. Why? Because we already committed. Okay. So how to get it back? By using the git reset hard. Git reset --- hard. See, it is now this updated. That is a before committed. Git log. See, if you see here, you can able to see the only before one. Okay, if you do again, it will go to the create demo3.txt. You go and see git log. Can you able to see previous comments updated and updated from the local? No, right? Okay, fine. We have did the we resetted the back. So we have created the one file, right? That file should be there or not? It will be there or not? No, it won't be there. Why? Because we have resetted, right? It will be deleted the file. Okay. Right. Here any file is there? Huh? No, right? It will be deleted the file. Oh, okay. Like when we are going to reverting, right? So what are the code we wrote, right? Everything it will be destroyed. It will be removed. Okay, it will take you to the previous code. Okay. Now we have updated this code. Like I am from so and so, and below you updated something. You saved, you committed all the things. So again, after that you wrote something on this paragraph. So what you want to do? I want to remove these things and all. So I resetted that thing to old commit ID, right? The old commit ID. On the time, what will happen? This code will be go. Only first the till that level what you committed, that will be only it will be present. Git branch hyphen list. Hyphen list you can able to see, or else by using the git branch you can able to see. By using git branch hyphen a you can able to see. By using the hyphen a, right, you can able to see the remote branches as well. See here, this is the local branches. Main and master will be the local. Okay, this is remote origin main. Remote origin main will be the remote, like in the GitHub branches will be there, right? Those things, these two. Okay, git branch production. It got created the production branch. How to do? How to switch the branch? By using the git checkout. Git check out production. Right? So we have seen here in the production. So we'll do touch production.txt. Here you can able to see production.txt. Then what we need to do, as like that same thing, we need to add the git push hyphen u origin branch name. First, we need to add the other things, right? How to add? Git add dot. Next, commit hyphen m. Need to give the production message. I have committed. Next, git push origin production. So here you can able to see. Till now, we are no only two main and master will be there. I will refresh it for you again. Here you can able to see, right? Only main and master will be there, right? Click on view all branches also, don't show anything, only two. Okay, and push origin production. Okay, it got pushing the code. Okay, done. So now go and check it here. Production got there. Got created one more branch. So all the code will be there. Production.txt, it will be there here. Okay. By this way, we'll create the branches and we'll check out and we'll push the code. Okay. Before why we got facing the issue, right? We created the main branch right now. We went with right to master, check out all the things we did, right? By that way, we got the conflict. So let confirmation by seeing the things are not can able to see here. Okay. How to measure the branch? So I had the two branches. This git branch. So I have three branches. So I want to merge the master branch and production branch. How to do that or not? We'll see. So what you need to do? You need to merge the production branch, right? You need to check out to the master. Okay. Git check out master. So here you can able to see production.txt will be there, not there. Git merge production. See, one file changed, fast forward, updated here. We have seen how to merge all, we have seen. Git push all also we have seen. Git branch hyphen D. What is git branch hyphen D? What it will do, it will delete the branch. Git branch. So I want to delete production. Why? Because I already moved, right? Hyphen D production. Deleted branch production. Okay. How to check? Git branch. Branch got deleted. By seeing the list, you can able to see. Git push origin hyphen D production. So by using this one, it also deleted the from remote repository. See here, I deleted in the local. Yes. I will go and check it here. Still production will be there here, right? See production. How to delete over the in the remote also by using this command git push origin hyphen D in the sense delete. Git push origin hyphen D production. So deleted production, you can able to see where in this branch we have deleted the production branch. You go and check it here. See, this is not there. Why? Because this got deleted. 404 error is coming. So if you come down, come here, and you can check it from here. Any production branch is there here? No. Why? Because we have deleted from the remotely. How to get the new branches from the remote server to local? Okay, we have created the multiple branches will be there. How to get the things means by using the fetch. Fetch. Nothing will be there. That's why it's not taking you anything. Okay. See here, I have created the one branch called test. Test branch. You go see here, you can able to see test branch. We are doing git pull origin master. Okay. For by this, what you are doing, we are pulling the master. Okay. By using the git fetch, we'll get the branches. Okay. By pull in the sense, by using the particular branch only, we are pulling the code. But by using the git, we can able to fetch all the details from the repository. So here you can able to see, right? Git branch. You are not showing. Why? Git branch -a. See, these are the remote branches, right? So if you want to check git checkout remote / origin / test also you can able to check out. No, something like. Oh, we already created it. Git new branch test origin. We need to check out the test. Git check out test. So we already moved to the test. Here it giving right. So it automatically will copy to the local. Git branch test. README file only there. Here also, what all things will be there? Only README file. The main test. Only README file. Okay. Git branch -a. You can able to see the remote origins here. Okay. That's it. Like by these things and all, we can able to see by seeing all these things. And one more thing, git conflict will be there. Git conflict in the sense what? Like you are working on the same file and two developers will be there. And I'm working in the one file, same file. Like it will be some conflict will be there, right? How to avoid the conflict and all that. Just we need to check the those two files. Which file we need to keep, which file we need to delete. We need to delete that one and we need to commit. In that time it will be commit. Okay. Go through these things and all. Okay. Just what we give the overview in the sense like this is a GitHub. In the GitHub will push the code from the local to remote. How to push, how to pull other things we'll get to. Okay. If you want to do automation, automatically pull the code from in the server, right? In the webhooks it will be there. Like automatically update the code in the servers. Like that, some things will be there. For that, we will use the webhooks. That will be the different topics. You want to learn those things on that. Okay. So in the actions, we can able to see the create the workflow. So different deployments will be there, right? You can add it from here. So code deploy, code those DevOps tools will be there, right? Jenkins, all the things. So we are using that is third party. By using the GitHub also we can able to do the GitHub actions. This is one service in the GitHub. By using the GitHub actions, you can able to automate the task. You can push the code to local repository. All things you can able to see. Okay, just do one thing. Like we are till now we have seen all these topics, right? How to GitHub in that how to create the workspace, how to add the credentials, and how to push the code, how to pull the code, how to fetch the code. All the things we have seen, right? Okay.